Hello guys, good morning to all of you guys who all are watching my video right now. And right now we are going to the shop to buy a laundry detergent to wash my clothes, right? Not just to wash our clothes. Actually, we both are here and we are going to the shop to buy a laundry detergent as I told you, right? So just keep on watching, and while buying I'm also going to show you the shop where we are gonna buy. So keep on watching guys. Hoi hoi. And here the place where where we lived at these days, this road is too much dusty guys. So now as you can see, and he is a supervisor and he earns 20,000 rupees per month. Hey, hey. And we earn, yeah, same. Yes. And by the way, would you guys wanna work with us? If you want, you can ask me and I will call you here. And finally we are about to arrive to the shop. So now as you can see, and here a little bit muddy. And now as you can see the shop where we are gonna buy a laundry detergent. Now as you can see the stuff that they have. He is a shopkeeper, and what this is called? This is called a refrigerator, or you can call it a fridge. So now as you can see, and actually the price of the detergent is 10 rupees, right? But because of not having lots of shops around this place, he cost us 12 rupees, right? Now as you can see what they are doing here, and this is the place where we work, and this is the plant where we work, right? But right now we are not gonna work because we just work at night these days. And the day boys is, as you can see, they are working here. And he is a rotor driver. I try to show you by zooming out. These all are here. There are lots of dust is blowing here. I feel uncomfortable to see. And there is a guy who is watering here to get rid of from dust, because there are lots of dust if any vehicle, if any car is going, right? And now as you can see, this is the hose that water flow through, right? And now at the end the water is coming. Hey, let me go. Hey, see, he messed up my feet. This is the canteen where people are live here. And now as you can see, there are lots of dust here showing. And as you can see, there are lots of dust here and that are blowing. Okay guys, so let's head to our room where we were before, and then we are gonna watch. But by sleeping, just after arriving to our room, we are gonna sleep, and while sleeping we are gonna scroll YouTube, Facebook, Insta, whatever we would like to watch. And right now we have come to the washroom to wash our feet because it got lots of dust. Let me wash first. Let's turn on the tap and have water. I am rubbing my feet to make it shinier. Okay guys, so I just exit from the washroom and heading to my room. And what I'm gonna do just after arriving to our room, I'm gonna sleep and scrolling YouTube, Facebook, Insta, whatever I would like to. So for now I would like to stop recording. Okay, one more thing that I forgot to show you. And there is a man, and as a chef he is cooking his vegetable, and this vegetable called lentils. No, a little bit I know English. Hey, that's okay, but when will you give me my 100 rupees? And Pradeep, he brought a bucket of water to make his clothes wet. And now see how he is tearing this pocket of this detergent. And the process of call is pouring. He is pouring this surf, and then he's going to, and then right now it's time to put his clothes into this bucket. Then he's going to rub a little bit, will be clean automatically. Okay guys, as I told you, just after arriving to the room, I'm gonna sleep a little bit because I had to work at night, so that is why. And in the forward and in this further vlog, even I don't know guys what am I going to show you, but I want you to please watch this video until it very end. So for now, I would like to stop recording. Hey guys, so right now we ran out of water, so that is why right now we are going to the. Hey, क्या हुआ? Hello guys, so right now we have come a bit distance, means around 2 kilometers away from our room to bring water. Now as you can see, we have lots of gallon of water bottle, you can say, right? And it stores 20 liter water, right? And now as you can see, right now we are refilling water bottle because we ran out of water. So that is, and we filled some of the bottle here, and I'm gonna show you the machines that filter this water, right? This is a huge tank that stores much water, and also here bigger than big. This is bigger than this one, right? And we have come by this. And this car is called Kemper, and that's true, we have got here. Guys, so right now I have come to the shade of this tree, and actually the place where we are refilling our water bottle, and there I wasn't able to tolerate the sun, so that is why I have come to the shade of this tree, and here I am feeling nice. And there is a man, and he has come. I think he's gonna sleep or he's gonna take a nap. Actually this is the water can, and also it has wrapping a sack, right? But why the sack is wrapping in it is because if you want to make your water cool, the sack will help you, right? Yes, so that is why guys, the man, he has wrapped this water can. And now, as I told you earlier, that he is going to take a nap by sleeping. By the way, here I want to ask you a question, guys. Guys, please, you let me know in the comment, do you guys love the way I am teaching you English? So please let me in the comment below, because I am very excited to know what do you think about my teaching style. So please let me in the comment below. Let's make the vlog a bit longer. And just after bringing our bottles of water, and then we went to the washroom to have a shower, and just after having a shower, and right now I am applying oil into my hair, and it's time to comb. And here this tool is called the comb, and that's true, I'm gonna comb my hair. And as you can see, he is kind of a glutton, so that is why he is getting too much hungry. Right now I am sitting here and having lunch, as you can see. And by the way guys, I have to say, today's vegetable comes delicious. Yes, as you can see, pointed gourd and potatoes, and sometimes it has tomatoes. And this vegetable called the lentil. Let's give it a try. And actually guys, we don't cook anything here. All of this meal comes or we get from our company. Means while getting water, along with we brought our meal, guys. Yes, and that is the place where they are putting our meal, and we got along with water. Okay guys, so let me finish my meal, then we will show you in further vlog.